A little bit about me. I was born and raised here in the Imperial Valley, in the El Centro area. My parents were Dr. Quan and the late Anna Mae Quan. My family has served this community for over 70 years, spanning 4 generations. I have personally practiced law here in El Centro, California, since 1996. I'm a graduate from Central Union High School, class of 1989, and then afterwards I matriculated in the University of California, Riverside, where I obtained a double major, a Bachelor's of Arts in Political Science and a Bachelor's of Science degree in Economics. I then went to the University of San Diego School of Law, where I graduated in 1996, and I like to tell everyone that I passed the bar on the first try. After I passed the bar, I immediately returned to the El Centro area and opened up my law practice. I've been practicing since here in the El Centro area. I like to tell people I have an active practice. Active in the sense that I sit day in and day out with the residents of the Imperial County to help them solve their problems as best as possible. I say that because not only do I speak English, I'm trilingual. I speak Spanish, English, and Chinese, Cantonese. I think it's imperative that elected officials here in the Imperial County have a great understanding of not only of the English language, but also of Spanish. Why? We are over 80% Hispanic in this county. We need, as elected officials, to be able to function and handle cases for the majority of residents. Many times, I run across people who come into my office and they don't speak a word of English. And you know what? They would prefer that the attorney speak Spanish. And that's exactly what we can provide to them. I think it's key to make sure that we get elected officials, especially in judge positions, that understand the culture and traditions of the Mexican heritage here in the Imperial County. The reason for that is because necessarily our decisions that will ultimately lead us to get into court for some reason is going to be driven by our upbringing, by the traditions and the cultures that we know during our youth. And with that, all of the decisions that we make that bring us into the court, we need to have a judge that is going to handle and be able to handle the cases in an efficient manner.
Thank you, Mr. Quan.
That was short.
And with that,
well, we hope to get your support and your vote on June the 3rd. Thank you.